What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that bell for notifications, hit that thumbs up. That way, every time I send out a video, you're the first to be notified. All right, guys, Forex trading for beginners. Let's get you into a 5-day free Forex training. This is from beginners to advanced. We show you a strategy that you can get funded with, and we only risk 1 to 2% of our trading account size. The risk to reward, the reward we shoot for 5%. We get anywhere from 5 to 20%, even more. Today I'm gonna show you one couple of patterns that we use, a couple setups that we use, and that we're going to teach you in the 5-day Forex training class. Also, you get some great software to go along with that too. So retail traders, when they see this, they're going to be looking for buys and sells. What we see here is highs and lows being created. Well, equal highs and equal lows. So retail traders are going to come. They're going to put their trend lines up here, and they're going to be putting their trend lines down here. And what this does is this starts to create liquidity. People starting to put their stop losses up here. They think it's going to go for a sale. People putting their stop losses down here that are thinking it's going for a buy. Well, when we're waiting for the banks to show their hand and the trade setup, what it does is either going to go up or it's going to go down and take out some liquidity. Right here, it went down for a sale. It wiped all this liquidity, all this money, stop losses down here. Well, not only did it swipe out all the liquidity and stop losses, it created something called FOMO, fear of missing out. People started jumping into this trade, thinking it's going down. When what did it do? It reversed, it went back up and took all these stop losses out, took all this liquidity out. When we see that pattern set up right there, we ride the bank's coattails down into this banker's candle, and we get in with them and ride it to profit straight up. Look, look at the drawdown, little to none. We do this every single day. We teach this to you free. Smart money concepts, banker strategy. Let me show you another one. Consolidation, equal highs, equal lows. Retail traders put their trend lines at the top and at the bottom, creating liquidity. What happens? The banks take price up, takes the liquidity out, shoot price back down, created FOMO, took this liquidity out, went back up to the banker's candle, and we would have got in right there all the way down to profit. Little to zero drawdown. This is how good a strategy is. Another pattern. This is a different pattern we look for. It's called the banker's box. We see price consolidating. Price shoots out. We're looking for it to shoot out from the top or the bottom. And we're talking about like massively shooting out. And what does it do? It comes back right there to that banker's candle that started it in the first place. We get in right here all the way down. We teach you this for free in our 5-day training. You need to get in on this. The link is in the description. What you want to do is go to my Facebook profile and send me a message, more info, and I'll send it right over to you and get you into this free day trial. You also get some software. It's called the Exit Manager. You can go to my videos on YouTube here, and it's called the Exit Manager. And what that does is once you get into this trade right here, it manages your trade for you all the way down. And when price starts to go back up, it gets you out. That way you don't get out early. As let's just look. If you would have got in right here, you would have wrote it down in the profit. And as you see this big candle going up, you probably would have got scared and got out and missed out on all these pips right here. And what the software does, it takes the emotion out of trading. Let me show you our trading group. We have over 4,000 members, thousands of success stories, thousands. People joining every day. We also have a Discord group where you can come in and look at the chart markups. Once we teach you the strategy, you're going to start marking up charts, and you can come in and put your chart markups in here and get feedback from other people. You can also look at other people's markups and you use it for a trade. This is great. It's like your own signal service. We have mentors. Some time to time, our mentors will come in and they'll put their chart markups in. And then what we like to teach also is for people to get funded accounts. You don't have to use any of your own money. Just learn the strategy, and once you get good at this strategy, go take the prop firm test, which is easy. All of these people have done it, or you can come in and talk to funded traders and get ask them any question that you want. We have it all set up for you to succeed. We go to our training website. With the Unit 5 section. This is where it's going to teach you the whole strategy. Everything you need to know about the banker strategy. Complete walkthrough, step by step, entering your first trade. We have it all here, guys. We have a 5-day live training that goes on 12 noon Eastern Standard Time every single day, guys. You want to stay plugged in. You, you want to be successful at trading. You want to stay plugged into the trainings. Monday, we go over the only two trading patterns, only two trade setups that you ever need. Tuesday, we go over the software, and the software is in the Discord. Wednesday and Thursday, we go over the charts, and Fridays, we have our mastermind every single week going on 6 years. Never missed a beat, guys. This is why so many people are successful. We have six-figure traders that are teaching us this strategy and trading together. We also have the weekly outlook. Every Monday, this pops up where the six-figure traders they go over this of their charts, and what they do is they give you the pairs right here, and you go back and mark up these chart on the charts, and come back and watch the video and see if your charts look like their charts. It's all set up for you to succeed, and we're giving you a 5-day free training. Go to the link in the description. You won't regret it, guys. If you're looking for a Forex company, a Forex team, mentorship, I'm going to be here for you too. This is it. I love trading. I don't have to get up and go slave for somebody else. Trading is it for me. And I haven't stopped. I haven't quit yet. It was rough at first. I didn't know what I was doing. But when I come to this team and I stayed on the sessions, I stayed plugged in. And I had my aha moment. You'll have yours too. Just stay plugged in. All right, guys. Get plugged into the 5-day free training. I'll see you on the next video.